Good morning. Are you looking for a cheap and easy way to improve your garden? Well, I'm going to show you how I improve my garden for $15. This is a plastic 55-gallon drum. And what I'm going to do with it is show you how I'm going to use it to make my own black gold, homegrown compost. The first thing that we're going to do is drill some holes along the side and the bottom. The holes will allow air to get into the drum, and the holes on the bottom will allow liquid to drain out, but more importantly, allow earthworms to get inside. So I'm going to take my handy dandy drill, connect the battery, put in my large drill bit, turn the drill on its side. Turn the drum on its side, and start drilling. And I'm going to go about six inches straight up. Okay, we're going to do this all over, and then we're going to flip it over and do the bottom. So hopefully you can see me pretty well. I had to cut an opening in the top because I thought that the top of this came off, but it doesn't. So I cut a rectangular opening in the top, and the pieces that I cut out, I'm going to try to fashion a little cover so that, forgive me, yellow flies, so that it's covered. What I'm going to do next is, in my leaf bag here that I have some leaves that I have raked up, and I'm going to place them into here. Lots of leaves. As you can see, yellow fly is killing my legs. Okay, we have all our leaves in. Next, I have a little of the compost that I have been using um, for my beds and my plants. Remember, this compost I got off Facebook Marketplace, free. A lot of horse manure, processed horse manure, and I got it all for free. I've used maybe half of it and still have a lot left. Okay, and then after that, I have some household waste from the kitchen that I'm going to put in the form of um, onion hulls, bell peppers, banana skins, coffee grinds. This has been sitting outside, so it smells, but that'll be okay. That's dumped. This is dumped. Okay, and I have some brown paper that I'm going to tear and put in here as well. Okay, I'm going to get my shovel and stir everything up, and we're going to go ahead and let the process begin. So hopefully you're able to see pretty well. I was able to find a piece of plastic type material, and I was able to screw it down to the area that I cut out, and it effectively makes a good cover. So I want to thank you for coming along with me. while I showed you for how for $15, you could start the process of making your own homegrown compost, also known as black gold. To me, this seems very feasible. I've seen other experiments like this or variations of this on YouTube, and it works. Now, I have in the past bought compost black cow specifically, and while I've used it, I've always wanted to be able to grow my own. Black cow, depending on where you get it from, can be quite pricey, and I would rather save that money and use it for something else. So I hope you guys got something out of it. Let me know what you think. Do you think making your own compost is a good idea, or buying store-bought or wherever bought works better for you? Leave me a comment in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. If this is your first time stopping by, I appreciate you. Take a moment to consider subscribing. If you do, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you are a return visitor or subscriber, I appreciate you greatly. You guys have made my channel more than I ever thought it could be, and for that, I am eternally grateful. Lastly, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.